Hi, my name is Tiffany Boston, and my friend, god sister, and cousin's name is Tanisha Chelsea. Together we are Taniffany.
We live in Stoicham, which means Canoe Creek. It's a beautiful valley across the Fraser River from the Gang Ranch near Clinton, BC.
There are many rock formations and mountains in my backyard. The sunsets are always gorgeous.
In the summer, we travel to traditional powwows to dance. Every year we have one of our own. Last year I was crowned Nisconlith Princess.
Everywhere we go, we take our skahas. In Canoe Creek, skahas are a very important part of everyone's families.
This is our community. This is our life. This is our happiness.